Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I was discussion for you to database administration. So let's start on your Google Chrome and typing database administration, database administration. Enter. So, database administration consists of everything required to manage a database and make it available as needed. The database administrator DBA is the person who manage backup and ensure the availability of the data products and consumed by today organization view their IT system. What is the role of database administration? Short for database administration, a DBA, design, implement, administers and monitor data management system and ensure design consistently quality and security. Database administrator DBA rules and responsibilities in the big data. Search for what is the role of database administration. What skill does database administrator require? Many types of skill for database administrator requirement. So let's start. Number one, patency. Number two, mutual attention to detail. Number three, a logical approach to work. Number four, the ability to properties task. Number five, problem solving skill. Number six, good organization skill. Number seven, communication and interpersonal skill. What are the type?